Morning everyone. How are you? I hope you all are good and safe at home. I am Khushpreet, your class teacher. Today we are going to do the theme that is shapes. And our today's topic is lacing frame. For this we need a cardboard, sheets of paper, color, crayons, pencils and cardboard cutouts. Now let's start our activity. For this activity, firstly cut the cardboard into different shapes like rectangle, triangle, square, star, heart shape, any shape you want. Okay, and after that, now we are going to make the frame from the shape of circle. Firstly, pick up cardboard and cut the cardboard in the shape of circle. After cutting, now make the holes in the cardboard of that particular shape. Okay, that is circle. Then put the string in the one hole and take out from the another hole. Okay, then after completing the lacing of that shape, then pick up crayons and sheet of paper and glue. Then color the cutout of that shape and paste these on the sheets of paper. Your beautiful card is ready. Okay, students, you can use the cardboard in the shape and any shape. Okay, like circle, star shape, heart shape, triangle, square, rectangle, of any shape. Okay, firstly cut the cardboard of that particular shape, then make holes with the help of punching machine. Okay, then put the string or rope in the one hole and take out from the another hole. Okay, after this, students, instead of using crayons and sheets of paper, you can also use the colored paper. Okay, now paste the colored paper on the cardboard of that particular shape. Okay, now your beautiful card is ready. Now after this, let's recite a rhyme. We are shapes. We are shapes, we are shapes. You can see us everywhere. I am a square, I am square. I am square, you can see me everywhere. I have four sides. I am a square, I am a square. I am a circle, I am a circle, I am a circle. I go round and round, round and round. I have no sides, I am a circle, I am a circle. I am a triangle, I am a triangle. I have three sides, I have three sides. I am a triangle, I am a triangle. I am a heart, I am a heart, I am a heart. I am so curly, I am so smart. I am really lovely shape, I am a heart. Okay, this is your rhyme that we are shapes. Okay, students, now you can try to make that lacing frame of any shape. Okay, you can also take the help of your parents. Okay, and learn the rhyme we are shapes. Okay, stay connected with your school, with your teacher. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a bright day.